So a year ago, one of my friends, she had a bad car accident, and after that, she kind of lost all her hand functions. And I see her went through all those physical therapies to trying to regain all those functions. The whole process was really long, and it's repetitive and really boring, not fun at all. And sometimes this kind of one-on-one therapy can be really expensive, and you have to do it in the clinic. So I was wondering if there is a better solution to make this kind of therapy a more affordable and engaging experience for all people, for people of all ages, either in the clinic or at their home. So this is the reason why we are making this app. Our app's name is VHAB. VHAB is VR game for hand rehabilitation. So we are using lip motions tracking technologies to get all the data of your hand movement, so the users can manipulate objects on the screen. VHAB is simple and fun, and it trains finger strength and hand strength, so that the users can practice their hand functions while playing games.
So we used the Leap Motion controller, as Jesse mentioned. We also used a JavaScript library known as 3JS. 3JS allows us to render 3D objects to the screen, so that those are the objects that the user is allowed to interact with, like buttons and things that you can pinch and drag and move. So with those two libraries, the Leap Motion controller comes with its own library as well that we were able to take advantage of to kind of like display hands and give us a little bit more manipulation with the objects. But with those two technologies, we were able to get them to mesh together pretty well.
So Jesse's going to show the Leap Motion sensor right now. As you can see, it's quite small. And when she places her hand in the range of the sensor, a visualization appears on the screen. And we have 5 exercises that we're going to show. The first 3 are basic repetitive hand motions. So Jesse's just going to show a grab right now. And this exercise requires a user to do repetitive hand grabbing 5 times. The user will receive encouraging feedback, and a count is displayed on the screen. And when Jesse's finished with this, the home button appears to redirect back. The last 2 exercises are whack-a-mole and select. So Jesse's going to demonstrate whack-a-mole right now. The purpose of this exercise is to hit the bunny 5 times without hitting the tiger. As you can see, this one requires a little bit more coordination than the other one. And if Jessie hits the wrong object, she'll lose a life. And when she's finished, the home button also displays. And the final exercise we have is select. It's a dragging and pinching motion. And Jessie's hand is visualized by that large sphere on the screen. The purpose is to drag all of the objects on the left to the right. When her hand hovers over an object, it changes color, so you know that it's selected. And when she's finished with this, it will redirect back home.